In May of last year, scientists detected the largest gravitational wave ever. Initially, they believed it must have been two black holes weighing in at 66 and 85 times our sun's mass, coming into contact and creating an enormous gravitational event. But a new study suggests the black holes behind the waves might not be black holes at all, but rather still hypothetical boson stars, which theoretically could be made of dark matter. But why the change of thought? Experts say the black holes in the 85 solar mass range need more than one star to properly form, as stars big enough to create one usually have a supernova big enough to completely destroy their own core, leaving no black holes. Which is why, despite having incomplete models for boson stars, as they've never been directly observed, the boson star theory is equally probable based on the math. So what are boson stars? They're stars formed of particles called bosons, which allow them to be millions of times the mass of our sun, while remaining relatively small in size, and physicists believe they might even look like black holes. One of the researchers, Carlos Herrero, an astrophysicist at the University of Aveiro, had this to say about the theory, quote, "If confirmed by subsequent analysis of this and other gravitational wave observations, our result would provide the first observational evidence for a long-sought dark matter candidate."